this session, I am going to discuss about azeotropes and colligative properties. Let us know what do you mean by azeotropes. Azeotropes are the binary mixtures having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase and boil at a constant temperature. Their components cannot be separated by the fractional distillation. The types of azeotropes, there are two types, namely the minimum boiling azeotropes, the maximum boiling azeotropes. The minimum boiling azeotropes are the solutions which show a large positive deviation from Raoult's law. For example, a mixture of ethanol, it is 95%, and water, it is 5%. The maximum boiling azeotropes are the solutions which show a large negative deviation from Raoult's law. Example is a mixture of nitric acid, that is 68%, and water, that is 32%. Let us know what you mean by colligative properties. Colligative properties are the properties of the solutions which depend on the number of solute particles but not on the nature of solute particles. That means these are the properties of the solutions which depend only on the number of particles but not on the nature of the solute particles. There are mainly four types of colligative properties. First one is relative lowering of vapor pressure of the solvent, that is RLVP. There will be lowering of vapor pressure of this solvent when you add non-volatile solute to the solvent. Second one is elevation or increase in the boiling point of the solvent, which is also called ebullioscope. When you add non-volatile solute to the solvent, there will be increase in the boiling point of the solution. That is second colligative property. Third one is depression or decrease in the freezing point of the solvent, which is also called cryoscope. That means when you add a non-volatile solute to the solvent, there will be decrease in the freezing point of the solvent. And fourth one is osmotic pressure of the solution.